Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Recruitment Corporate Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
The aunt of my husband, ma'am.
Your husband is here.
No, ma'am. His aunt.
Or his aunt. Okay. So you remember and think that you come to work here not to meet your husband's aunt, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
You feel unwell but you're still in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose to work in Malaysia, ma'am, because um, I want to give more to my family, ma'am.
Okay.
And I choose Malaysia to work because at the same time in Philippines.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Judy May Ayaw. I have two daughters, 5 years old and a 3 years old. And my husband is a farmer and he is 26 years old. That's all.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Please speak louder so that I can hear you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
October 21, 1998, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'6", weight 65.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
College undergraduate, ma'am.
In what course?
B.Ed, ma'am.
So you mentioned that you got two kids, right? 3 and 5 years old.
Yes,
Okay? What happened? Why you decided to work as a domestic helper? You know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job.
because ma'am, my husband is no higher salary, and I have no work, ma'am. I'm only a housewife.
So do you think you can endure working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband allow you to come and work here.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children?
My husband.
Okay. Do you think you won't miss your family? You will going to sign a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay? Do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
I work at Makati City, ma'am. And since January 2021 to January 2023, my employer is Mrs. Sanchez, 38 years old and a Filipino. She has a 5 years old daughter, ma'am, and there are three members of their household. My responsibilities there are cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and taking care of her child. And the reason why I live there is finished contract.
Okay, very good. So after 2023 and until now, you are a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So being a domestic helper, as I have mentioned, is very tough job, okay? You need to clean the entire house. If there is any children, elderly, you need to take care of them also, okay? There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only. And the houses here is no joke. It's very big houses. So you need to get ready yourself. You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Homesickness will frequently attack you, most especially that this is your first time working abroad. Normally, how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I'm going to pray, ma'am, so that my homesickness will not come with me.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Not really, ma'am.
Yes or no?
I no, ma'am.
It's okay. Are, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Usage of mobile handphone. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Okay, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now we have 1,800 ringgit. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here, okay? It's
Yes, ma'am.
either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Better stay in the Philippines and better find other job opportunities to other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and you need to respect the culture of the employer. We need to humble ourselves because we are a foreigner in their countries also, okay? Any
Yes, ma'am.
problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer keep on following you wherever you go? Like for example, you doing the chores inside the house, but the employer keep on following you. What will you do?
I will go for work and don't mind them, ma'am.
Don't mind. If, for example, you already did your best, I mean, you just work properly, but still employer is not satisfied the way you work. What will you do?
I will do it again, ma'am.
You will do it again. What if employers called you, but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I'm going to quiet, ma'am.
So you will not answering back your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that so?
Because I don't want to get in trouble, ma'am.
Okay. So Judy, I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.